Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, zaptest.com. RPA Use Case, Manufacturing. In the paper using robotic process automation to enhance the item master data maintenance process, the authors highlight examples of RPA in various industries. The first example deals with a Vietnamese manufacturing company called ABC Electronics. ABC deals with phone repairs. However, the firm could not generate a bill of materials for phone repair using typical enterprise resource planning systems. ABC split the relevant departments described above into groups. Some implemented RPA, while others stuck to the traditional approach. The results were astonishing. The RPA group reduced the time taken for requests by 80%, increased productivity and job satisfaction, reduced human errors, increased compliance, improved data accuracy, reduced costs resulting from poor production, manual labor, and loss of reputation from customer dissatisfaction. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.